Hey, what's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to your boy JDH's channel, man, for yet another beautiful day on my channel. As I just said, your boy here reacting to Diana again, man. I'm finna check her out. I don't know why I keep reacting to her. I'm like, and I know exactly why I keep reacting to her, because she give me views on my channel. Stop, I ain't go cap. But we gotta be honest, man. We gotta be honest. It ain't even like, dude. We realize that's why you reacting to her. You get what I'm saying? Y'all ain't stupid. Y'all know why I'm reacting to her. Because first of all, it ain't English. You get what I'm saying? I don't understand one fuck. You get what I'm saying? I'm uneducated like a motherfucker. So obviously the views is the reason why I came back. You get what I'm saying? But it ain't that. It ain't just that. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's 80% that, and it's my 20% is me being intrigued. You get what I'm saying? But as I said, in an awkwardly cringy way, I don't know, I just find her, I don't find her cringy, I find her like she's awkward. I don't know if it's just my perspective on how I look on her. You get what I'm saying? How when she be on stage. Or maybe it's just the videos that I react to. It's probably the videos that I already reacted of her on stage. Maybe she ain't awkward on stage, she like confident like a motherfucker. But we're gonna check her out, man, and see what it is. For a fact, for my English speaking folks, man, y'all know this ain't English. I don't know if the captions work like a motherfucker. I don't know. Cause these captions be capping like a motherfucker. It don't never be working. So I don't know, so let's just get into this, man. You know your boy gotta eat, so you know what your boy gotta come back for the views, right? And come back because she, at the same time, she talented. You get what I'm saying? I ain't go lie on that. We all know she a talented motherfucker. If she wasn't talented, don't nobody would watch this female. You get what I'm saying? So that's why we reacting to her. That's why y'all are fans. Y'all fans keep coming back to see people's reaction to somebody that you fuck with. You get what I'm saying? So I understand that. For fact, she talented. Let's get into this video.
Ну а сейчас оставайся, мы объявим нашу следующую участницу сюрприз. Сейчас для всех, кто уже победил или кто ждет своей участи, я хочу, чтобы на эту сцену вышла уникальная девочка, победительница второго сезона международного вокального шоу «Ты супер», обладательница гран-при суперсезона «Ты супер». И, между прочим, видео с ее выступлениями, ты помнишь, сколько посмотрели?
Больше 10 миллионов.
Больше, нет. Ее выступление на проекте набрало в интернете более 350 миллионов просмотров к этому моменту. Итак...
As I'm going to react to her and I still don't understand shit. I don't make sense at all. What the fuck? I fucks with her dress. What the hell? That shit's sparkly.
Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Белым вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпай.
Everything just sparkly about her, Look at it. Look at her face and her dress. That bitch go hard. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I don't know what y'all female call this shit, but the thing over her eyes and this shit on her cheekbones and her dress, that shit match, bro. And look at the earrings too. Them bitches, everything matching like a motherfucker. Everything sparkly like a motherfucker. I'm dead. This combination, I ain't gonna lie, it's killed. I'm just trying to make conversation. I don't understand what she's saying, so I gotta find some shit to make conversation about. You know what I'm saying? For my English people, what the fuck I just said? For my English speaking people that don't understand shit either, let's just vibe right now, man. Chill out, y'all know why. If y'all, for the understanding people that know, you know what, JDH, get in your bag, my friend. Just get in your bag. React to her, cause she guarantee you views. React to her, she guarantee you subscribers. For my understanding people, I fuck with you. Not saying I'm just exploiting her for views. Kinda am. Anyway.
Где-то ты засыпаешь где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит выбраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга, думаю, кровь. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо.
I guess I'm just dumb because it don't look like she awkward at all. Like on stage or I ain't even gonna say off stage. I don't know her personally, but it looked like she just enjoying herself like a motherfucker. She looked like she rocking out on that beach. You know what I'm saying? I applaud everybody that can perform in at least 100 people. If this rooster done fucking, but I applaud everybody that can perform in a certain amount of people, 2-digit amount of people, bro, because that shit is frightening like a motherfucker. You know somebody there definitely don't like her ass. For a fact, somebody there like, why is this girl performing? Like this don't look like, this look like a VMAs type shit, bro. You get what I'm saying? And she just came on stage just to perform for the little intermission and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just talking at this point. I don't know.
Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
She gonna drop that bitch? Oh shit, I thought she was gonna drop that.
Ваши аплодисменты, Диана Анкудинова. Ой, как же хочется, чтобы таких проектов, как «Ты супер», было на нашем телевидении еще и еще.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna get up out of here. Bro, she, as I said, bro, before, she's talented. Like, the first time I reacted to her voice, it seemed like to me her voice changed. Like, to this soft voice, to this deep voice. And I ain't gonna lie, I was shocked, bro. I think I even mentioned it too, bro. I was like, bro, did her voice change? I was dead ass on that shit. I was like, bro, her voice definitely changed. But I fucks with her, man. She talented. Like, if anybody that go on stage and sing, bro, and get applauded, like, for a fact, even though I don't understand your way, I know you can sing. You get what I'm saying? It didn't make no sense to go on stage if your voice is crackly like a motherfucker. That, bro, everybody go, boo, get your stupid ass off stage. What the fuck you come on stage with your horrible ass, horrendously terrible ass voice? Fuck wrong with you? Anyways, I see you in a bit, man. I'm finna double upload. I'm finna react to SB19 once again. Just gonna kick the last couple days of October off, man, with some bangers. I know for a fact them bitches gonna bang off. I don't know for a fact. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know for a fact. But anyways, man, I'll go see y'all in a bit, man. Comment down below who y'all want me to react next. Or if y'all want me to react to her again, man, let your boy know in the comments down below. I'll check it out, man. And I'll see y'all in a beat. Your boy finna double upload. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm on the road to riches driving by ya. Why these niggas want pop my tires? Blue wings got fire. My name on flyers.